Hello and Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Ali Raja Bagan Bari UK. I am your host Aqib Ullah and this is my niece Amelia. Say hello Amelia.
I'm Ali Raja. Assalamualikum.
It's a beautiful, glorious April day and it's time to grow Bangladeshi vegetables. Amelia, it's a really beautiful day, isn't it? Our flowers are coming up. Look, these flowers look beautiful. Dad, what vegetables are we going to be growing this season?
We're going to grow all type of Bangladeshi vegetables and tomatoes, cucumbers, everything that we normally grow, especially chilies.
Chilies, yeah.
But Aqib, I'm not so happy this year. Due to coronavirus, many people are dying around the world. Many people are sick. Now, there are lots of people who are feeling so depressed. And I'm not really enjoying gardening this year.
But Dad, we need to live our life. We need to do something that we enjoy. We can't just stay depressed watching TV all day.
I think my son is right. We can't just be depressed and watch TV and watch the news all the time, because that will make us more depressed and the anxiety will take over. So we've decided that we're going to keep ourselves busy by doing the things that we enjoy without going out, unless we want to do exercise like we do every morning in the park. So let's just do some gardening and let's pray for one another and hope inshallah everything will get better.
Without further ado, let's get into it. Our plants are coming out really nicely. These are our Bangla and wow, look at our chilies. They're coming up really nicely as well.
Yeah, the chilies, the Naga plant are doing really well. I'm quite happy with them this year.
I know.
They come up quite nicely.
Hopefully we get more this year than we done last year.
I mean, last year we had a fantastic season for Naga.
We even went on Channel S for chilies.
Yes, we did, didn't we? So the chilies are coming nicely, but they're not ready, so we would transfer them from this container into a bigger container. But I will wait till they grow a little taller. They're still too young. Now, don't worry if your chilies hasn't come this big yet. We're in the first week of April. Usually the chilies slightly slow. It takes longer time. So hopefully by May your chilies will be a bit taller, and that's when I transfer them to a bigger pot.
And Dad, can our Bangla can we plant our Bangla in the ground now?
The weather is not warm enough. Don't be deceived by this weather. I know it's a beautiful day today, but don't be deceived. It's not warm enough yet.
Our Bangla needs a really warm weather to grow.
I usually put them in the ground on the 1st or 2nd of May. That's the best time to do it, about 1st or the first week of May. But it's too cold to put them in the ground now. What else are we growing? What is this plant?
This one.
This is Kerala plant.
This is my bedroom and my mum made it into a gardening centre. Look how many plants I have on my windowsill. We got plants all around the house. Every windowsill in our house has plants. Even in the loft we have plants.
What kind of plant is this, Aqib?
That's hodu plant, Bangla.
That's Bangla. These are also Bangla, aren't they? And these are some chilies, yes. So we've got plants everywhere.
Even in the loft ceiling. This is the sunniest room in the house. This is my dad's room. Guess what we have here? A lemon tree. I made a video on how to plant a lemon tree, and this is the same exact lemon tree from that video. If you haven't watched that video, I'll leave the video link in the description down below, so please check that out because it's very interesting. Our lemon tree leaves are given new and healthy leaves. It's looking very healthy and good. This beautiful lemon. I'm hoping to get lots of lemons from this tree. It will be because I like lemons, and it will be really nice to just pick fresh lemons from this tree. And This is our aloe vera plant. My mum loves this. We always have like aloe vera. It's jelly inside. I like aloe vera. We always have the drink aloe vera. It tastes really nice. I like the jelly inside of the aloe vera. I'm so jealous of my parents because they have the biggest room in the house and they have a fantastic view and a big TV in here. And they even got some plants, but I got some plants. I can't complain. I got a really good room as well. I got my TV in there, and this is the TV that I always come in here to just relax with Amelia. We always come here to watch some TV. They even have a view at the back of the house. You can see our garden. It looks really beautiful from up here. This is our living room. Our windowsill is full with plants as well. Every windowsill in the house is busy with some plants, but the living room has the most plants in the house. You might think this is a gardening center, but it isn't. It's our kitchen. Inshallah, in 2 weeks' time, when the weather gets warmer, we'll move all these plants outside. We even got more here. Look how many plants we have here. Wow, some Bangla. We got all different types of plants. All these flowers will be gone by tomorrow. I'll be missing them, but we need to take them out, and we'll be saving the bulbs for next year. But we need to turn the ground around for our vegetables. This is where we're going to be growing all our cucumbers. This beautiful garden that you see here is mostly because of my mum. My mum does all the hard work. She looks after the flowers and plants. She loves her flowers. She can't stand without any flowers in our garden. But I don't think this season we can't get that many flowers because all the garden centers are closed. Digging is the hardest part in gardening. You need to turn the soil around properly to get good fruits and vegetables. But it's very tiring. But if you do get tired, take a break. You don't need to do it all in one go. We're going to be taking a break, then start again. You don't always need to do it in one go. After we dig this properly, we're going to be adding some chicken manure in. Your aim is to break the soil properly. You don't want any lumps in it. You want to break it so it's really smooth. This whole place is going to be digged up. This is where we're going to be keeping our beans, all types of vegetables. That's why we need to dig it up properly. Oh, look what we have here. Our corianders. We planted this a few weeks ago and they're nicely coming up. Look over here. These are our garlics that we grew last year in November, and they're coming up really nicely. I hope to get lots of garlics from this. Oh wow, look at this cherry tree. It's blooming very nicely. My favorite fruit is cherries, and it looks like we're going to be getting lots of cherries from this tree. I can't wait.
So all our plants are ready to go into the ground, but the weather is not warm enough yet. We're going to wait until first week of May before we plant all our vegetable, Bangla and cucumbers and Bangladeshi uri and everything into the ground. So let's wait till it's get warmer. Don't get deceived by this weather. It's not warm enough yet. On the next video, I hope to show you how to transfer the chilies into a bigger pot. And we'll be showing you the type of soil that we're going to be using and the type of plant food we're going to be using on the chili plant. So I really hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe.
A couple of weeks ago, I have made a video on how to stay healthy during the lockdown. In that video, I showed you how to make this magic drink that will boost your immune system. The coronavirus affects and weakens your immune system, so you need a stronger immune system to fight the coronavirus off. If you haven't watched that video, I'll leave the video link in the description down below. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notifications because you'll be notified every time I upload. Stay safe, stay at home. Assalamualaikum, and see you in the next one.
Stay safe. Happy gardening. Assalamualaikum. I'll see you in the next one.
It's time to get my daily exercise. Come on Dad, let's get some exercise.